this is Anjali and welcome to my channel. So in this lesson we will be doing how to sort a series. We've already done a number of operations on series and seen that how can you fetch the data, how can you modify the data, and how can you even search the data based on Boolean indexing. So now if I have to arrange my data in increasing or decreasing order, so that is called sorting. So how do we do that? That is what we are going to cover in this lecture. So before I continue, subscribe the channel if you are a class 12 student and you have IP as a subject. So here I'm going to provide you complete tutorials for class 12 IP along with notes and worksheets. And we will be also making the project files and report files which you have to submit for your practical exam along with your Viva preparation. So everything from 0 to 100 you're going to get on this channel. So subscribe it right now and also share it with all your classmates and batchmates. So let's begin with today's topic. So you know that series is a one-dimensional data structure, right? We store the data in the form of 1D row or column, whatever you call it, but when we display it, it comes in the form of a column and it is indexed. The index could be anything. The index could be 0, 1, 2, 3, which I give of my own, or the index could be given by the programmer. So that can be A, B, C, D or what, which we can do with the help of index attribute while creating a series. So we have worked with all that, right? Now let's take a series. Let's take a series where I want to have name of students and marks. So marks should be the data and name should be the index given to that. So obviously I'm going to write first of all import pandas as PD, right? We will be doing it in PyCharm. I'm just showing you first the syntax and then we will be working in PyCharm to see it practically, like how does it work. Now you will be creating a series right here. So the name of the series could be anything. You can write S is equal to pd.series. Make sure your S is capital. And then here you have to give the marks. So you could write some marks here. If you don't want an index, then you can just leave like this, or you can write comma, and after index you can give name of the students. So we can give that, right? So we can do that over here. Now after doing that all, I want to sort it. I want to show it sorted. So it's very easy, you won't believe. We just have to write s dot sort underscore values. So we have two functions. One is sort underscore values, which will sort as per the values, means as per the data. And if you want to sort as per the index, so you have an option for that as well. You can write s dot sort indices for that. I'll show you both. So for that, let's open PyCharm and let's start working on it. So let me open our project on which we were working. So that was series. So I want to shift back to our own project where we were working earlier. So we had this series where we had name of some products and we had the cost. So let's sort this one only. So we already have this series and I want to sort this. So you will print it and you write sort values. So if you are going to write sort values and you run this, so what happens? It will sort the series as per the values. So I think it's not executing this one. We have to execute series 2. Yeah, it is. So you can see this, that initially it is showing 120, 500, 250, 300, 420. So this is sorted. This is not sorted because this is like the way we gave the values here. And once we write p.sort values, you can see that the values are coming in sorted order. I have 120, 240, 300, 430, 500, and the names will come accordingly. If you want that it should be alphabetically sorted as per the names, so you can write there print p.sort underscore, right? p.sort underscore, and we can write index. So my system is working a bit slow, I don't know why, but if I write p dot, so you should get a list of functions when you put a dot with the object in PyCharm, right? So that in case you are not very well aware of the spelling or something, so it will give you the suggestions. But anyhow, for the exams, in the examination hall, nobody is going to give you the suggestions. So you have to remember the name. You have to remember the name and you have to write accordingly, and then only it will work. So I am confused in this whether it is sort index or sort indices. Let's try it out. Let's write sort index and then we execute it, and see if it gives you the result sorted as per the index or not. So if you write sort underscore index, it will show you the data sorted as per the index. So yes, it is index only, and since B starts with book starts with B, it's coming first, then C, then D, and then N and P. So this is coming in alphabetical order. So if you want to sort as per the index, you have a function called sort underscore index, and if you want to sort as per the data, you have sort underscore values. That's that simple. If they are numbers, they are sorted accordingly. If they are strings, then it is sorted alphabetically. But what if you want to sort in descending order? So if you want to sort in descending order, you have to write ascending is equal to false. Like if you remember in 11th class, you would have worked with list and tuples. There we had a function called sorted, where we write reverse is equal to true. That means your list comes in decreasing order. But here you don't use reverse, you use ascending is equal to false. So if I'm going to write ascending is equal to false, that means it will be showing it in decreasing order. So you can see I'm getting 500 first, and then the cost is decreasing by every product. So ascending is equal to false means you want to show the data in decreasing order of values. So your values are these. If you want to sort on the index, it is sort index. Likewise, I can use ascending is equal to false in sort index also. So that is how we can sort the data. It's so easy to sort the data in series. You just have to know that you have two functions, sort values and sort index, which can be used on the series depending upon by what do you want to sort. And if you want to sort in decreasing order, you just have to write ascending is equal to false. So that is it about sorting. Now in the next class, I will be giving you my handwritten notes on series. So in the next video, I'll tell you from where to download it. Along with that, I'll be giving you a worksheet on series, because we have learned the concepts. We have learned that, okay, these are the concepts. This is how we create series. This is how we work on series. But we also need to know which type of questions will be asked in the exam. So how CBSE is going to ask you questions based on this, that is also very important to practice. And for that reason, I'll be giving you a worksheet which you all have to solve. And in one of the videos, or maybe in a live session, we will discuss that worksheet as well. Right? So that is it for this one. And I hope you understood the concept. If yes, do click the like button, subscribe the channel, share it with as many friends of yours as you can. And I'm also a Plus educator on Unacademy. So if you want to attend my live classes, I do take both kind of classes there, which are free as well as paid. So if you want to come for a free class, just come to Unacademy, search my profile. I'm live over there 1 to 2 almost every day. So I'll see you live there. Otherwise, we will be meeting here on the same channel. By the time I upload more, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.